Soursop, also known as Graviola, is a tropical fruit that is highly valued for its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. One of the most impressive benefits of soursop is its potential to help treat cancer. Research suggests that soursop contains compounds that can target and kill cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Additionally, soursop may help reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and provide a rich source of antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to any healthy diet. Welcome to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Soursop farming requires specific growing conditions and care to produce high-quality fruits. Here is some detailed information about soursop farming. Climate. Soursop thrives in tropical climates with temperatures between 23 and 32 degrees Celsius. The ideal rainfall for soursop cultivation is between 1,200 and 2,000 millimeters per year. The tree also requires good drainage and adequate soil moisture to grow well. Soil. Soursop prefers well-drained, fertile soils with a pH range of 5.5 to 6.5. It can also tolerate slightly acidic soils with a pH of 5.0 to 7.0. The tree does not tolerate waterlogged or saline soils. Propagation. Soursop can be propagated by seeds or vegetative methods such as grafting, budding, or air layering. Seeds are the most common method of propagation but may not produce fruits with the same quality as the parent tree. Planting. Soursop trees should be planted in an area with full sun exposure and good air circulation. The spacing between trees should be at least 6 to 8 meters apart to allow for proper growth and development. Fertilization. Soursop trees require regular fertilization to produce high-quality fruits. A balanced fertilizer with an NPK ratio of 6:6:6 or 8:3:9 can be applied every 3 months. Irrigation. Soursop trees require regular watering, especially during the dry season. A drip irrigation system is the most efficient way to irrigate soursop trees, as it reduces water wastage and ensures the roots receive adequate moisture. Pest and disease management. Soursop trees are susceptible to pests and diseases such as fruit flies, mealybugs, mites, and anthracnose. Proper sanitation and regular monitoring can help prevent these issues. Insecticides and fungicides can also be used when necessary. Harvesting. Soursop fruits can be harvested when they are fully mature and have reached their optimal size. The fruit should be picked carefully by hand to avoid damage, and the stalk should be left intact. The fruit can be stored for up to 2 weeks under refrigeration. In conclusion, soursop farming requires proper management practices to produce high-quality fruits. With the right growing conditions, care, and attention to detail, soursop farming can be a profitable enterprise for farmers. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating agriculture content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.